Well, God bless each and everyone. Okhona njengamanje la online. This is your prophet, uDr. Slindo Matwe. Shalom, shalom, and shalom. Namhlanje I want us sibheke ama-components. Ama-components angu 3 are very important when it comes to a gift yaka prophecy. There are 3 components abaluleke kakhulu kwi-gift yaka prophecy. Ngaphandle kwalama components kuyenza kube ne-calling, kube ne-anointing nakho konke ka-prophecy, but ustrugglishe because uleka i-understanding of these components. Component number 1, i-calling. That's component number 1. Component number 2, i-gift noma i-gifting. It's a calling, it's a gifting, and component number 3 is anointing. Component number 3 is the anointing. So you need to understand these 3 components in order for you to be able to operate, especially with gift, yaka prophecy, or rather with anointing, yaka prophecy. So this is very, very, very important. Well, so when we speak about the calling, what is a calling like a prophecy? A calling iyona ekunikeza i-identity. A calling iyona ekunikeza i-identity. So kuyenzeka ube prophetic, uNkulunkulu akunikeze i-anointing of being a prophet, kodwa uhlule ku-understanda i-calling, ubizo. Ubizo ilona likunikeza i-identity. One of the things ekubalulekile ukuthi uzi-understand ilezi ukuthi abaprofeti bahlukene igaba ezingu-7, and ezigabeni ezingu-7 baphinde futhi bahlukane izigaba ezingu-12. That's why umprofeti uMatwe ungakumbona eprofeta njengomprofeti so and so, nomprofeti so and so ungekumbona eprofeta njengobaba uMatwe. Singaprofeta sonke sibe bawu-12, but umprofeti unendlela yakhe yedwa a-operate ngayo. So now uma be ukwi-calling noma ungena kwi-calling, i-calling iyona ekunikeza i-identity yokuthi unguhlobo luni lamprofeti. Kubona bonke abaprofeti bawu-7 baphinde babe ngu-12, wena unguhlobo luni lamprofeti. So i-calling yakusiza kakhulu uku-understanding lokho. Then bese siba khona u-component number 2. U-component number 2, i-gift. Angithi when we speak about i-calling inikeza i-identity. Now when we speak about i-gift inikeza i-ability. I-gift inikeza i-ability. So uma bese une-gift noma understanda i-gift ebekwa kuwena as umuntu prophetic, then uzoba ne-ability to prophesy. Uzoba ne-ability yoku-operate kwi-anointing yaka prophecy. So ngamanye amazwi into ekunikeza i-ability i-gift. Now khona ukwazi ufinyelela kwi-gift ingaqala ngaphezulu kwi-calling. So you need i-calling, and then ngaphezulu kwe-calling yaka prophecy, then bese wehlele kwi-gift, and i-gift yona izokunikeza i-ability yokuthi how do you operate and how to operate obizweni like a prophecy. Do you understand? Do you understand? Because abantu abaningi bayasho ukuthi umprofeti uMatwe kuyenzeka ngibona amaphupho but ngihlule ku-interpret amaphupho. Kuyenzeka ngibona umbono but ngihlule ku-interpret umbono. Kuyenzeka ngibone in the realm of the spirit kodwa ngihlule ukuchaza into engibona in the realm of the spirit. Kuyenzeka ngizwe in the realm of the spirit but ngihluleka ukusho lento engiyibone noma ngizwe in the realm of the spirit. So ngamanye amazwi ukuphupha kuphela kwenza ube umprofeti noma ukubona amaphupha kwenza ube umprofeti. Ukubona ama-visions futhi akwenza ube ngumprofeti. But into ekwenza ube prophetic noma ube ngumprofeti ile ukuthi uma besulibonile iphupha uyakwazi yini ukuli-interpreta. Uma besulibonile umbono uyakwazi uku-interpreta. And then uma usubonile in the realm of the spirit uyakwazi ukuchaza ukuthi yini oyibonile. Uma kukhona okuzwile in the realm of the spirit uyakwazi ukusho ukuthi yini oyizwile, then you are prophesying ngokwenza njalo. Do you understand? So i-gift ke i-operator lapha. Ngamanye amazwi i-gift ikunikeza i-ability to interpret your dreams. I-gift ikunikeza i-ability to interpret your visions. I-gift ikunikeza i-ability to release the message oyizwe in the realm of the spirit. Do you understand? So leyo nto ke ikwenza ukuthi ube ngumuntu obenjani, o-prophetic noma ube ngumprofeti. So this is very important because there are so many people abathi mprofeti ngiyastrugglisha there and there. No, akubizi distrugglisha, but kubizi to understand ukuthi how to operate kwi-gift na kwi-anointing yaka-prophecy. Right? Point number three, noma component number 3, i-anointing. So in other words, as umuntu prophetic, you need to understand ukuthi number 1, i-calling is very important. So kumele ubizwe ekubeni ukubizelwe ukuba ngumprofeti. Ukubizelwe iba nobizo lokudonsile ukuthi ba ngumprofeti. Right? That's point number 1. Ubizo malukudonsela ekutheni ube wani ube ngumprofeti. Point number 2, ubizo likunikeza igift. So awukwazi ukubizelwa ka-prophecy only to find ukuthi igift awuzoyinikezwa. So the moment ubizelwa ka-prophecy kanjalo nane-gift nawo futhi ke uzobe usuyayinikezwa. So i-calling ayihambi yodwa. I-calling ilandelwa i-gift. Do you understand? So ngamanye amazwi uNkulunkulu ukunika ukufika akubize and then uma bese akubizile bese akunikeza i-gift of the prophetic. So ukubiza as a prophet yaphenda akunikeza i-gift of the prophetic. And uma bese akunikeza i-gift of being a prophet bese akunikeza i-anointing. Hashakata labasayo. Into ekwenza ukwazi uku-operate kalula kwi-gift noma obizwe lonke la ka-prophecy noma kwi-office of being a prophet yilo ukuthi number 1 uyawathola i-calling, number 2 wanikezwa i-ability to ilokhuzana i-gift ekunikeza ability to operate, and then wasuba ne-anointing. So i-anointing iyona ekunikeza i-purpose. Njengoba ngithi abaprofeti bahlukene igaba ezingu-12 noma ezingu-7 kuya ngokuthi uqhamuka kwesiphi isigodi. Kumele kube khona i-anointing because i-anointing iyona ekunikeza i-purpose. Ubizelweni as a prophet. Ayikho into eyi-challenge yokuthi ube umuntu o-prophetic only to find ukuthi awazi as umuntu o-prophetic ukuthi yini oyibizelwe. I repeat. There are so many people aba understanda ukuthi babiziwe banikezwe i-gift but bane challenge yok understand ukuthi yini abayibizelwe. So as umuntu prophetic, this is very important ukuthi understand ukuthi as umuntu prophetic yini oyibizelwe. So i-anointing yona ekunikeza i-purpose yobizo lakho as a prophet. Asibambe lapho namhlanje because online. But ngicela ukwazisa mfowethu, ePinetown sinayo i-Bible School ebizwa nge-Prophetic Wave Bible School. I-Prophetic Wave Bible School ikusiza ekufundeni izifundo zaka-prophecy, ingagcini lapho futhi iphinde ifundise nezifundo zaka-theology. Inamaklasi awu-2, elaka-prophecy nelaka-theology. Siyaqala ukurejista ngoJanuwari. Mangabe interested, ngicela uthathe inamba yami kwi-bio noma uyithathe futhi khona la escreenini ukuze sikwazi ukukhuluma nawe sifake i-waiting list yango-2026. I-Prophetic Wave Bible School ePinetown. Mina nginguProphet uDr. Slindo Matwe. Shalom.